Okay, gonna do an unboxing video of this Sovereign Collection wide margin King James Version. At least that's what we're expecting in this box. Hopefully, that's what we have here. And that. And yes, here we are. Sovereign King James Bible. Close this knife before I slice my hand open. And here it is. King James Version. Ooh, this looks really nice. There it is. Clamshell box. Yeah, here we are. Hoping to do a comparison between this one and the Cambridge Concord soon. But yeah, here's the initial look at it. We'll take some breaking in to be sure. Nice ribbon markers there. You can hear the kids in the background, probably, because they are full of life. But yes, here we are. Very beautiful. You can tell it's being opened for the first time here. But yes, 2 ribbon markers. Nice, beautiful font. Just a beautiful edition of the Bible. If I can open this other ribbon marker. And yeah, there is the first look. All right, thanks.